2.4 centimeter and diameter 1.4 centimeter. Conical cavity of same height and the same diameter is followed up. Find the volume of remaining solid to the nearest centimeter cube. So this is a cylinder and this is a cone, so you have to find the volume of cylinder minus volume of cone. That's how you'll get the volume of remaining solid, because it's not area. Okay, for cylinder radius is 4.7 1.4 divided by 2, so 0.7. Height is 2.4. For cone, radius is 0.7 and height is 2.4. Is it? Okay, the volume of remaining solid is equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of cone. So pi r square h minus 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, you have to take LCM as 3. So 3 minus 1, 2. So 2 by 3 pi r square h. Substitute the value of pi, 22 by 7, and this 7 by 10, 7 by 10, 24 by 10. So 2 into 22 into 7 into 8. Okay, divided by 1000. So if you simplify it, you will get 2.46. So nearest about it is 3 centimeter. In the form of a cylinder of diameter 4.2 meter and the height 4 meter, surmounted by a cone of equal base and height 2.8 meter. Find the capacity of the tent and the cost of canvas for making the tent at rupees 100 per square meter. Is for the cylinder, we have to find the surface area of the cone and surface area of the cylinder. So for cylinder, radius r is 2.1, h is 4 meter. Is it? For cone, radius is 2.1 and height is 2.8. But you have to find the slant height because you need to find the surface area. Is it? What they want to find? Find the capacity of the tent and the cost of canvas. So for the cost of canvas, we have to find what? Surface. So first they asked us to find out the capacity. Capacity means volume. So how will get the capacity of tent? Volume of cylinder plus volume of cone. So pi r square h and 1 by 3 pi r square h for the cone. Okay, here height are different, therefore one is capital H, one is small h, because h are different. So if you take 1 by 3 pi r square common, then you will get 3h here, taking LCM. If you take LCM, so 3 and 3 will be here, so 3h plus small h. So 1 by 3 pi 2.1 whole square, 3 into 4, 12 plus 2.8. So if you add it and simplify, you will get value. Okay, if you add it, you will get and simplify it, you will get answer 68.376 meter cube. CSA of tent is CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone. It is 2 pi RH plus pi RL. So pi r, if it is taken common, is 2h plus L. So pi into 2.1, this is 2 into 4 plus 3.5. So 8 plus 3.5, this is 11.5. 2.1, simplify it now by removing the decimal, you will get the answer 75.9 meter square. So cost of canvas is 100 into 100 per square meter is 100. So if we multiply, you will get answer 7590. It's in a form of a right circular cylinder closed at the lower end. Close at the lower end, that is very much important. This part is given, so it will be included. This area. Close end. So it will be close end means it will also include it. Okay. This area will also include it. The diameter and the height of the cylinder are 6 cm, 12 cm respectively. The cylinder portion is surmounted by a cone of the same radius as that of the cylinder. The slant height of the conical portion is 5 cm. That is good. It is given. Find the total surface area O and the volume of the rocket. Is it? Understand? So we have to find the total surface area. Total surface area means it will be the surface area of the cone plus surface area of the cylinder, but manual it is a closed, so it will be the base of the cylinder, which is pi r square circle, is it? So again it will be surface area of the cone, surface area of the cylinder, plus because it is given that it is closed, so area of the base of the cylinder, which is pi r square. So for cylinder, radius r is 3 centimeter, height is different, so let's take cylinder height capital H as 12 centimeter. For cone, radius is r is equal to 3 centimeter, slant height is 5 centimeter, so we can find h from there. Okay, 5 square is equal to 3 square plus h square. So 25 minus 9, it is equal to h square, that is 16. So 16 square. Okay, h square is equal to 16, so h is equal to 4 centimeter. The base of the radius, the base of cylinder of radius is of same, it is 3 centimeter. So TSA of 10, got it? It is CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone plus area of the base of the cylinder, that's I would say. So it is CSA of cylinder is pi 2 pi RH plus pi RL plus pi r square. Straight away you take pi r common. So it will be 2h here will be L, here will be 1 r will be left. Substituting this value as you say, okay, now this simplification only goes like this, it will be 301.44 centimeter square. So volume of the rocket, volume doesn't, so okay, the base is not counted, volume, okay. So volume of rocket is volume of a cylinder plus volume of cone. You may be questioning why base is not on it, but base is not calculated in the volume. Okay, it's not that area we are calculating. We are calculating how much space is covered by anything occupied in that. So only volume, so there is no base for this, is it? So volume of cylinder, which is pi r square h, plus volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So if you take LCM and add it, that also it can be done, is it? Or we can take 1 by 3 common, 1 by 3 pi r square common, then what will be left here? 3h plus small h. Okay, so 1 by 3 pi 314 upon 100, isn't it? R is 3, so 3 into 3, r square is 3 into 3 then. And h is, capital H is what? 4. So 3 4s are 12 plus 4. 12 plus 4, 16, is it? Okay, 12 3s are 36, 36 plus 4, 40. Okay. 3 4s are 12, and again 9 it is added. Why it is added? 3 one more inside. So 3h, this is h, 3h. So h is 12, so 3 into 12, 36 plus 4, 40. So if you simplify this like this, simplification, you'll get 376.8 cubic centimeter.